Ooh, I've never been at this one. I know this one anyways. Huh. They're actually not as scary as I thought they would be. They're so not scary. Like, these don't even sound scary. They don't even look scary. I can't even hear anything. Like, what's the point? I can't hear anything unless my recording's off. Today, at this very moment. Oh my god, that was my own darn skin. Oh my god, I'm the only person on this darn server. Oh my god. Nobody really ever plays these anyways. Like, I'm just wondering who even plays these. Like, co-op survival games. Yar, har. Wow, this is so much easier than I expected. Huh. Wow. Huh. Not very much fun, I gotta say that. It hasn't been very fun lately. Because I'm playing with nobody, I'm playing by myself. It's kind of like we're just playing like a... Hey. Yep, and I know you want a piece of me as well. And so do you. And so do you. And you. And so do you. And you. And so do you. And you. Oh my god, there's another guy in the match. But he will never beat me. Mwahaha. Gain back some health. Everything's normal. Except now. How many people are playing? Okay. Okay, this guy's never gonna beat me. In this amount of time. Yar. Yar. Oh my god, this is so darn easy. Too easy to be true. Okay, dude, let's split kind of up. Just kind of feel like that's better that way. Ooh, we got victory. What? Oh, this is actually like the best way to earn XP. Huh. Now we're gonna go to custom match. And we're going to the Terrifying Resort. To go kill some people! And by that I mean monsters. Hip hip whoopa doopa scuba doop loopa. Oh my god, this match is kind of getting popular. Now it's like game. Oh my god, like everyone's killing everything. They don't get any time to kill anything. Wow. I know guys I've been a little silent. I just gotta get my throat back together. It's been really itching for a long time. I'm not letting you guys win. I have a backup plan. Like, who doesn't want to be me? Winning all these matches. And I think I might level up to level 20. I think I'm gonna level. Actually, we're doing really darn good. Level 20! Okay, then we're gonna check what time it is. Okay. Maybe time for like one more match. Yeah, actually this is kind of good. Yeah, I kind of like that mode though. Yeah. Wow, this guy's stealing like all my kills. Oh, this guy's getting all the good darn kills. This guy's getting all the kills. Yeah. Actually, we're not doing bad at all. Huh. Not like any monsters. I kind of like what there's just two people. And they are not disconnecting me. Huh. Very odd, only because... Damn, where am I? Where are you? Yeah. Spasfalana. Yeah. No. I said yeah. This guy's like so ahead of me. Yeah. I'm not doing bad, but we're not doing good as well. Because I'm not in first. And I want to be in my first. You know, people say first is the worst, second is the best, third is the one with the treasure chest. I thought it was always like the third is one with the hairy chest. I think I might be the only person. Nope, I'm not. Match finished. That's fine. It's fine to me. Well, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.